The dress I'm wearing for today is from Free People. I really like the design. It's super breathable and very comfy to wear, and I like the little back detail. The STRAT is a pretty cool place to check out. It is currently the tallest observation deck in the US, and it's standing at 1,149 feet tall. Wander over West County, take my hand, shop and see. Only get paid hourly. We can couple, I can drive. Listen to Jackson 5. We can make it, we'll survive. Let's clock out, you and me. Wander over West County, take my hand, shop and see. Only get paid hourly. We can couple, I can drive. After going to the STRAT observation deck, it started to rain, so we decided to go inside to explore the Wynn Hotel, and then from there we went to the Venetian. For a while, and look at how the sky changed to sunset. It's so pretty. From Venetian, we walked over to Bellagio for dinner at Spago. So for appetizer, we got the smoked salmon pizza with caviar. And there's the lamb rack. So here's what the rest of the table got. I got the bolognese, that's the roasted chicken. And that one over there is the wagyu ribeye, lamb rack again, and same bolognese pasta. For dessert, we got the spiked lemon. Look at how pretty it is.
And all that jazz, I hear that Father Dick is gonna blow.
We then headed to the Mirage to watch the volcano show. We got there 15 minutes early to get a better view of the show. The volcano show will be removed sometime in the future, so if you're visiting Las Vegas, I would say that you should definitely check this out before it's gone forever. the high roller, we went to In-N-Out. In-N-Out has actually been on my bucket list forever, and being from the East Coast, I wanted to see what the hype is all about. We got the animal fries and the cheeseburgers. It was actually pretty good, but I think I would still prefer Shake Shack. Just finished day 2 of Vegas. My nose is irritated right now, so ignore that. But yeah, it's 2 a.m. now. I had a lot of fun today. And I'll be going home tomorrow night. I'm really sad, but yeah, at least I had a lot of fun here. Resorts World is a pretty cool place to check out if you like modern decor. They had a lot of different sculptures in there, and look at these cute paintings they found in the bathroom. And look at their lobby. Everything's super modern and pretty.
I don't wanna let you down. I don't wanna lose you now. Will you stay? Even when you wanna walk away, when times get bad, we can learn to love what we have. I don't wanna let you down.